Today, we embark on an exciting journey of discovery where we will uncover the secrets of frugal living and homeownership, a place where the lines between saving money and maintaining a beautiful home blur, and where the impossible becomes possible. As homeowners, we all know the struggles of balancing a budget and keeping our homes in tip-top shape. But what if I told you that there are unique and unconventional ways to achieve both, ways that most people haven't even considered? In this video, we will delve into the world of DIY repairs, energy, efficient appliances, smart home technology, and cost-effective decorating and renovation ideas. Each tip and strategy we discuss has been carefully curated and tested by yours truly. So grab a pen and paper and get ready to take notes, because by the end of this video, you will have the tools and knowledge to transform your home into a frugal living paradise. Are you ready? Let's begin. DIY repairs and maintenance. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the DIY repair and maintenance section of our journey. This is where the magic happens, where we take control of our homes and turn our handyman dreams into a reality. First and foremost, let's talk about the importance of regular maintenance. It's like going to the doctor for a checkup. It's better to catch a problem early on before it turns into a major issue. This can save you a lot of money in the long run. Now, let's talk about the tools of the trade. The internet is your best friend when it comes to DIY repairs and maintenance. With the vast amount of tutorials and forums available, there's no task that's too big or too small for you to tackle. From fixing a leaky faucet to installing a new light fixture, the world is your oyster. But what if you're not that handy? No worries, my friends. There are also a plethora of online courses and classes that can teach you the skills you need to become a DIY pro. And let's not forget about the cost savings. By doing repairs and maintenance yourself, you can save a significant amount of money compared to hiring a professional. Plus, you'll have the satisfaction of knowing that you did it all on your own. So, don't be afraid to roll up your sleeves and get your hands dirty. The world of DIY repairs and maintenance is waiting for you, and trust me, it's a journey worth taking. Energy, efficient appliances and systems. This is where we explore the world of eco-friendly living and learn how to save money while doing our part to protect the environment. We all know that appliances and systems can be a significant source of energy consumption in our homes. But what if I told you that there's a way to have your cake and eat it too? By upgrading to energy-efficient appliances and systems, you can save money on your energy bill and reduce your carbon footprint at the same time. But upgrading isn't the only way to save. Proper maintenance is key to prolonging the life of your appliances and systems. And with a little bit of TLC, you can keep them running smoothly for years to come. Let's not forget about the added benefits of energy-efficient appliances and systems. They not only save you money, but they also come with features that make your life easier. From smart controls to built-in sensors, these appliances and systems are designed to make your home more comfortable and convenient. So let's embrace the future and make the switch to energy-efficient appliances and systems. It's a small step that can make a big impact, not only on your wallet, but on the planet as well. Smart home technology. This is where we explore the endless possibilities of home automation and learn how to save money while keeping your home safe. Smart home technology has come a long way in recent years, and it's now more accessible and affordable than ever. From monitoring and controlling energy usage to securing your home, the options are endless. Imagine being able to control your lights, thermostat, and appliances from your phone or voice commands. Imagine being able to monitor your home from anywhere in the world or receive notifications when something suspicious is detected. All these features are now possible with smart home technology. But it's not just about convenience. It's also about saving money. By monitoring and controlling your energy usage, you can reduce your energy bill and make your home more eco-friendly. And with features like motion detection and remote eco-fences, you can also save money on your home insurance. Smart home technology is not just the future. it's the present. And I urge you to take advantage of it and make your home a smart home. It's a small investment that can yield big rewards in the long run. Affordable decorating options. We'll get to that in a second. I have a favor to ask of you. If you like this video so far, please subscribe to the channel. This is where we explore the endless possibilities of decorating your home on a budget and learn how to make it look like $1,000,000. Decorating your home can be expensive, but it doesn't have to be. With a little bit of creativity and resourcefulness, you can turn your home into a stylish paradise without breaking the bank. Thrift stores and online marketplaces are a treasure trove of hidden gems. From vintage furniture to one-of-a-kind decor, you can find unique items at a fraction of the cost. And the best part is that you're also giving new life to pre-loved items, which is good for the environment. Dye decorating projects are also a great way to add personal touches to your home without spending a lot of money. From painting a room to creating your own art, the possibilities are endless. And the best part is that you can customize it to your own taste and style. So don't let a tight budget hold you back from decorating your home the way you want. With a little bit of creativity and resourcefulness, you can turn your home into a stylish paradise that reflects your personality and style. Cost-effective home renovations. Welcome to the world of cost-effective home renovations, where the impossible becomes possible and the dream home becomes a reality. This is where we explore the ways to renovate your home without breaking the bank and learn how to prioritize essential renovations. Home renovations can be expensive, but it doesn't have to be. With a little bit of planning and creativity, you can renovate your home without spending a fortune. The first step is to prioritize. Identify the essential renovations that need to be done and focus on those. For example, fixing a leaky roof is essential, while installing a new pool may not be. Secondly, shop around. Look for deals and discounts on materials and labor. Compare prices and negotiate with contractors. Don't be afraid to ask for a discount or negotiate the price. Thirdly, consider doing some of the work yourself. DIY projects can save you a significant amount of money, but be realistic and honest with yourself about your skills and limitations. And lastly, don't be afraid to get creative. There are many cost-effective ways to renovate your home, such as paint, lighting, and decor. These small changes can make a big impact on the overall look and feel of your home. So don't let a tight budget hold you back from renovating your home. With a little bit of planning and creativity, you can turn your home into your dream home without spending a fortune. And so our journey comes to an end. We've explored the world of frugal living and homeownership, delving into the secrets of DIY repairs and maintenance, energy, efficient appliances and systems, smart home technology, and cost-effective decorating and renovation options. We've learned that with a little bit of creativity and resourcefulness, we can save money and maintain our homes without sacrificing style and comfort. We've discovered that the impossible is possible and that a tight budget is not a hindrance, but an opportunity to be resourceful. We hope that this video has been informative and inspiring, and that you've gained the tools and knowledge to transform your home into a frugal living paradise. But the journey doesn't end here. If you're ready to start improving your financial well-being, take action now. Check the first link in the description for our Frugal Living ebooks. You'll learn how to take control of your finances and start saving money without sacrificing your quality of life. From assessing your current financial situation and cutting costs to increasing your income and living frugally without sacrificing enjoyment, we cover it all. Order our ebooks via the first link in the video description and start your journey towards financial stability and security. It's never too late to start making smart financial decisions.